Okay, okay, green. Okay, Akil. Akil ready? Okay, sekarang Akil baca.
Mr. George and Mr. Page.
Okay, very good. Mr. George and Mr. Page. Okay, 1, 2.
In my village, there is a Mr. George and a Mr. Page.
In my village, there is a Mr. Josh and Mr. Page. Okay, very good. Okay, good.
Mr. George and Mr. Page are my neighbors.
Okay, Mr. George and Mr. Page are my neighbors. Okay, good. Okay. Sekejap ya. Dah, ni. Okay, sorry.
But they are very different.
But they are very different. Okay, good. Okay, move 2 boxes. Okay, next.
Mr. George is huge, but very gentle.
Okay, this one word.
Every,
Every.
very,
Bukan every. Okay, tengok betul-betul.
very,
Very. Okay, very.
very, very gentle.
Mr. George is huge but very gentle. Okay, good. Okay.
He and his wife are always full of energy.
He and his wife are always full of energy. Okay. 1, 2 boxes move. Okay, next.
They live in a small cottage.
They live in a small cottage. They live in a small cottage. Again.
They live in a small cottage.
Okay. 1. Okay, next.
Mr. George enjoy taking care of his garden.
Ni apa kita baca?
Taking,
T, ke, I, eng. Taking.
taking,
Taking.
taking,
Mr. George.
taking.
Okay. Mr. George enjoys taking care of his garden. Okay, again.
Mr. George enjoy
Enjoys.
taking,
Enjoys.
enjoys taking care
Taking.
of
Taking.
taking care of his garden.
Mr. George enjoys taking care of his garden. Okay. Okay, then you reach your finish line.